Hi guys, so today I'm back with a very quick, very simple tutorial. It's gonna be on highpuff, so I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this look. So stay tuned. It's very simple, very easy, and it's for any hair type. So yeah, well, not any, but you know, us kinky girls, okay? Alright, so stay tuned guys, and I hope you enjoy. And I must say thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to my channel, who has been liking my videos, who has been commenting. Your encouragement means so much to me. Thank you for sharing, thank you for the support, thank you for the love. I appreciate it guys, and I'm looking forward to a better partnership with you guys. Alright, yes girl. Okay, so I definitely cannot dance at all, but I was excited and I wanted everybody to know I could not contain myself. So yeah, little shrugging of the shoulder there was just out of excitement. Alright, so as mentioned, it's quick, it's easy. I'm only gonna be needing two things for this hairstyle. I'll be needing my Eco Styler gel as usual, and you know I'm using argan oil, and it's the 10 hold. So my hair was previously in some 2-strand twist. I just twisted it overnight, you know, just so that it doesn't get knotted. Okay, so and what else did I use? Oh, the headband. I use that headband. You can use whatever you want. I've used shoes lace before. I've used the top of a pantyhose. I just like cut it off and just tie that part, the top stretchy part, just tie it around my head. Whatever works, as long as it's something that fits around the perimeter of your head, and you can adjust it in terms of like making it tighter or making it looser to your comfort. Whatever works, but I'm using this headband right now. And yeah, I place it on my forehead and I have smudged my makeup. Oh well, life goes on. Alright, so I just added the styling gel, smooth the hair up, and brush it with a stiff brush, and basically put the headband over your head, and then you just fluff it out. You just fluff the hair to your liking. When you're done fluffing, it's not gonna look exactly like an afro, because you know you just finished pulling the ends, so you're gonna have a few strands that are longer than the other, but within a few minutes it's gonna all blend it in. It's gonna be blended in, and it's gonna be on like one height. So your high puff usually looks much neater and more uniform after a couple minutes when you're finished. So yeah, that's it guys. Quick, simple, easy. You can just lay your baby hair down however you want, but this is definitely my go-to look. Sometimes I'm just lazy and I just don't, you know, don't want to go through any difficult hairstyle. Well, not really difficult, but you know, some of them are time consuming, so I had to rush out on the road. I just needed something quick and easy, so yeah, this is my go-to. I hope you guys like the video, and I'm gonna show you a few photos at the end of this video just so you can see a better look. It's not fully shrunken, but it's a little bit better than what you're seeing now in the video. So keep watching guys, and I thank you so much again for your support. I appreciate it, and your girl got you. I'll be putting up another video soon, and I'll see you in my next video. So keep watching guys until the end, and remember to subscribe, and remember to like, share, leave a comment. See you guys. Bye. Love you. Mwah.